Oh! There is the leak between the cooler and this pipe. Strange whistling noises. Bosch Special Tool. Oh. Uh-oh. Where does it come from? From down there. Lots of smoke. Must be a big leak. There is the leak between the cooler and this pipe. Another hidden screw. Searching for the screws from the throttle valve. Finally, the engine mount. That's the screw we have to remove. Still not enough space. Now we have to remove the intercooler. And to remove the intercooler, we have to remove the compressor for the air condition. Perfect engineering. Finally. There it is, the intercooler. Next part that needs to be removed. Finally! That's the problem. Old, new. Very dirty. Cleaned it well.